Amazon Prime for free 30 days, you need link in bio. Spring is officially here and Amazon just dropped some of the best kitchen deals I've seen all year. If you want to cook faster and keep your kitchen organized, you need to see this. I've handpicked 23 essential kitchen gadgets that are actually worth your money this March. From viral TikTok finds to high-quality tools that are currently on a massive discount. Most of these are eligible for fast shipping, perfect for your next family dinner. Let's dive into these 23 kitchen gems you'll wish you had sooner. Cold press juicer. Amazon products you need if you're serious about healthy living, and this one's a game changer. This cold press juicer is like having 3 machines in one: juice, nut, milk, even sorbet. If you're tired of loud juicers, endless chopping, and messy cleanup, yeah, same here. It's such a hassle, you just stop using it. But this one? You drop in whole fruits, no prep. It runs super quiet and the juice yield is insane. Plus, everything pops out and goes straight into the dishwasher. I've put the link in the description, don't wait. This one sells out fast. Slushie machine and soft serve ice cream machine. Amazon products you need to finally stop spending a fortune on frozen treats and start hosting the ultimate slushie parties at home. This slushie machine and soft serve ice cream machine is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of craving a silky soft serve or a refreshing spiked slushie only to find the local shop closed or way too expensive? It is the absolute worst. This piece uses iWhirl technology for perfect textures and QuickCool tech to get your drinks ready in a snap. It has 5 modes from milkshakes to cocktails and even features a one-touch self-cleaning mode. Double portable induction cooktop. Amazon products you need if you love cooking but hate the chaos in your kitchen, this one changes everything. This double portable induction cooktop is basically a full stovetop you can take anywhere. If you've ever struggled cooking multiple dishes at once, one pan burns while the other's not even hot yet, yeah, it's frustrating. This lets you cook 2 meals at the same time with totally separate controls. One side sears, the other simmers perfectly. Plus, the touch panel is super sleek and wipes clean in seconds. ProChef Induction Cooktop. Amazon products you need to finally stop guessing your stove's temperature and start cooking like a literal pro in your own kitchen. This ProChef Induction Cooktop is a total game changer for anyone living in a dorm, RV, or tiny apartment. Are you tired of uneven heating spots or waiting forever for water to boil on those sketchy traditional burners? It is the absolute worst. This beast heats up almost instantly by transferring 90% of energy directly to your pot. It features 94 precise temperature settings and a shatterproof glass surface that's tough enough for a professional kitchen. Vacuum machine. Amazon products you need if you're tired of wasting food and money, this one is a total lifesaver. This vacuum machine makes storing food ridiculously easy and keeps everything fresh way longer. If you've ever had leftovers go bad in days or freezer burn ruin your meat, you know how annoying that is. This thing seals like a pro with super strong suction, and you can use it over and over without overheating. Plus, it's one-hand operation and even has built-in bag storage, and a cutter so convenient. Knife sets for kitchen with block. Amazon products you need to finally stop struggling with dull blades that crush your tomatoes instead of slicing them. This knife sets for kitchen with block is a total game changer for your daily cooking. Are you tired of using mismatched rusty knives that make your hand ache after just 5 minutes of chopping? It is the absolute worst. This 14-piece set is made from high-carbon stainless steel and features a built-in sharpener right in the block so you never have a dull moment. The handles are ergonomically designed with non-slip grooves for ultimate safety and balance. Blue ceramic nonstick cookware set. Amazon products you need if you're serious about cooking healthy without the hassle. This one is a must-have. This blue ceramic nonstick cookware set feels like a total upgrade the moment you use it. If you're tired of food sticking, pan scratching, or worrying about toxic coatings, yeah, I've been there. This set heats super evenly, nothing sticks, and it's made with clean, chemical-free ceramic. Plus, it's insanely durable, like scratch-resistant tough, and works on all stovetops, even induction. Dehydrated dryer for jerky. Amazon products you need to finally stop overpaying for tiny bags of beef jerky and start making your own gourmet snacks at home. This dehydrated dryer for jerky is a total game changer for your kitchen prep. Are you tired of wasting expensive fruit that goes bad before you can eat it, or dealing with noisy dehydrators that keep you up all night? It is the absolute worst. This beast features 6 massive stainless steel trays and a whisper quiet motor that stays under 48 decibels. It uses upgraded airflow for perfectly even drying every time and has precise digital controls so you can set it and forget it. Juicer machines. Amazon products you need if you're trying to get healthier but hate complicated juicers. This one is a game changer. This juicer machine lets you drop in whole fruits, no chopping, no stress. If you've ever dealt with clogged juicers, loud noise, or juice that tastes off, yeah, that's the worst. This one uses slow cold press tech to keep nutrients and flavor, plus dual strainers so you get super smooth juice every time. It's also crazy easy, just one button and done. Rice cooker. Amazon products you need to finally stop eating mushy, burnt rice and start getting that restaurant quality fluffiness at home every single time. This rice cooker is a total game changer for busy families who need meals ready on demand. Are you tired of babysitting a pot on the stove only to have it boil over or end up with a crunchy bottom that's impossible to clean? It is the absolute worst. This Korean-made essential uses fuzzy logic technology to automatically adjust the temp so your rice is never ruined. It makes up to 12 cups, features a self-cleaning mode, and even has a specific setting for baby food and oats. Electric Kettle. Amazon products you need if you actually care about your coffee and tea. This one is next level. This electric kettle gives you barista level control right at home. If your coffee tastes off or your tea gets bitter, it's probably your water temp and pouring messing it up. This lets you set the exact temperature, keeps it warm for hours, and the gooseneck spout gives you perfect smooth control. Even has a built-in timer for your pour over. I dropped the link in the description, don't wait, this one's a must-have for your setup. Anti-fatigue floor mat. Amazon products you need to finally stop your back and feet from throbbing after just 10 minutes of standing in the kitchen. This anti-fatigue floor mat is a total game changer for your home or office. Are you tired of that sharp pain in your knees while doing dishes or feeling completely drained after using your standing desk for an hour? It is the absolute worst. This mat features a super thick, high-density memory foam core that literally melts the pressure off your joints. It's stain-resistant and has a non-slip backing so it stays perfectly in place while you work. Kitchen floor mats cushioned anti-fatigue. Amazon products you need to finally stop your legs from aching every time you try to cook a decent meal. This kitchen floor mat's cushioned anti-fatigue is a total game changer for your home. Are you tired of that throbbing pain in your feet and lower back after standing on a hard kitchen floor for just 20 minutes? It is the absolute worst. This mat features a memory foam liner that provides incredible cushion support to take the pressure off your joints. It's completely waterproof and stain resistant, so you can just wipe away grease or sauce spills with one quick swipe. Food warming mat with heat. Amazon products you need if you're tired of your food going cold before everyone even sits down. This is genius. This food warming mat with heat keeps all your dishes warm the entire meal. If you've ever reheated food over and over or rushed eating before it gets cold, yeah, it ruins the vibe. This lets you control the exact heat, set a timer, and warm multiple dishes at once. Plus, it's safe for your table and even has a child lock. I dropped the link in the description. Don't wait, this is perfect for family dinners and holidays. Enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Amazon products you need to finally stop serving dry, overcooked dinners and start cooking like a gourmet chef. This enameled cast iron Dutch oven is an absolute game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of stews that lose all their flavor or having to scrub burnt food off your pots for hours? It is the absolute worst. This heavy-duty pot features a genius lid design that recirculates moisture to keep your meat succulent, and it's oven-safe up to 500 degrees. From induction stoves to roasting in the oven, it handles everything perfectly and wipes clean with a simple sponge. Premium mixing bowls with lids set. Amazon products you need if you're tired of messy kitchens and missing bowls, this set is a lifesaver. This premium mixing bowls with lid set makes cooking way easier and cleaner. If your bowls slide around, spill everywhere, or you can't find the right size, yeah, super frustrating. These have a non-slip bottom so they stay put, built-in measurements so no extra cups needed, and tight lids to store leftovers instantly. Plus, they're durable and dishwasher safe. Set glass food storage containers with lids. Amazon products you need to finally fix your messy fridge and stop wasting money on takeout. This set glass food storage containers with lids is a total game changer for your weekly meal prep. Are you tired of leaky plastic containers that stain, smell like last week's onions, and melt in the microwave? It is the absolute worst. This 3-5-piece set uses heavy-duty borosilicate glass that goes straight from the freezer to a 960-degree oven. They have airtight snap-on lids to keep everything fresh and even come with bonus condiment containers for your lunch. Kitchen Cookware Set. Amazon products you need if your kitchen feels cluttered and cooking is a hassle. This one is a total upgrade. This kitchen cookware set is super versatile and honestly makes cooking way easier. If you're dealing with bulky pots, hard cleanup, or handles getting in the way, it gets annoying fast. This set has a removable handle so you can stack everything and save space. The nonstick coating means food slides right off and it works on any stove. Cleanup is crazy easy too. I put the link in the description. Don't wait. This set is blowing up right now. Smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer. Amazon products you need if you're tired of ruining expensive steaks. This one is a total game changer. This smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer lets you cook like a pro without guessing. If you've ever cut into meat too early, overcooked it, or kept checking the grill nonstop, yeah, been there. This gives you real-time temps from up to crazy distances, super precise sensors, and even alerts on your phone. Just set it and relax, perfect results every time. I dropped the link in the description, don't wait. This is a must-have for grill season. Premium cotton kitchen towels. Amazon products you need to finally stop throwing money away on rolls of paper towels that tear the second they get wet. This premium cotton kitchen towel set is a total game changer for a clean and sustainable home. Are you tired of using half a roll of paper just to soak up one spill or dealing with thin rags that leave lint all over your clean dishes? It is the absolute worst. These are made from pure ring-spun cotton with a super thick terry construction that drinks up liquid instantly. They're incredibly soft, machine washable for hundreds of uses, and you get a pack of 8 so you always have a fresh one ready. Wooden cutting boards for kitchen. Amazon products you need if you're tired of messy cutting and dull knives. This set is a must-have. This wooden cutting boards for kitchen set comes with 3 perfect sizes for literally everything. If your boards slip, stain, or make a mess all over your counter, yeah, that gets old fast. These are made from durable bamboo, super gentle on your knives, and have deep juice grooves to catch all the mess. Plus, the built-in handles make serving so easy. I dropped the link in the description. Don't wait, this set is perfect for every kitchen. 2 packs under sink organizer. Amazon products you need to finally fix that chaotic disaster under your sink and get 150% more storage space instantly. This 2 packs under sink organizer is a total game changer for anyone dealing with a messy cabinet. Are you tired of digging through a mountain of cleaning supplies and banging your head against the pipes just to find one spray bottle? It is the absolute worst. This organizer has a genius L-shaped design that curves right around your plumbing and features 3 adjustable height levels to fit those extra tall bottles. It's made of heavy-duty carbon steel that holds 50 pounds and wipes clean in seconds. Swing top glass bottles. Amazon products you need if you love homemade drinks but hate messy storage. This set is a game changer. This swing top glass bottle set is perfect for storing everything from juice to kombucha. If you've ever had leaks, flat drinks, or random containers taking over your fridge, yeah, it's annoying. These bottles are super durable, completely airtight, and keep your drinks fresh and fizzy. Plus, they come with labels, funnels, and pourers so everything stays clean and organized. I dropped the link in the description, don't wait. These are perfect for your kitchen setup.